to my X journeys. For those who are my seasoned subscribers, thank you so much for all your support. If you're new to this channel, 90% of my topics will be about Hermes, from shopping vlog to scoring a Quota bag to one of your favorite Hermes unboxing videos. If you enjoy these topics, please be sure to subscribe to this channel and hit the bell notification to receive a reminder of my latest video release. For those who would like to ask me some Hermes questions, you can PM me on Instagram by following me at Mrs. Y X Journey. So today I'm giving you my own opinions on the top 6 hottest non-Quota bags to get at Hermes this year. If you have not yet watched my video about the Hermes hottest bag to get, I will link it above and below in the description box. So without further ado, let me share my opinions and I'll tell you why I rank it like that. So number 6, in my opinions, it would have to be the Picotine 18 with dual color, because it's so hard to come across dual color. I just so happened that, able to see my mother-in-law score the dual color with a Picotine 18, but that's talking about last year. My local boutique SA never offered me a Picotine 18 with dual color, not even a single color. He only offered me Picotine 18 Touch. And of course it's black, but it wasn't really my preference at the moment. So of course I turned it down. But as far as for this ranking, I will pick Picotine 18 dual color as number 6, because I think it's still possible to get. So number 5, my pick is the Garden Party 36, because I haven't seen Garden Party 36 on the shelf lately, and I've been requested since May. I still haven't gotten offered. From what I heard is, Garden Party 36 generally should be easier, but I think people may be moving on to bigger bag again. So since the trend has changed, so Garden Party 36, it's not as easy as before, I feel like. And the second one that I also gonna rank for number 5 is the Ruly. I used to see Ruly a lot on the shelf. At least I remember at the flagship store in Madison, I think it's always on the shelf what it used to be. But this year I don't see it at all. I went to, if you guys been watching me filming the shopping vlogs, I really haven't seen any Ruly on the shelf. So really, I would say I'll rank it number 5. Number 4, Garden Party 30. So as you know, for Hermes, as smaller the bag is, the harder to get. And Garden Party 30 is just happens to be one of the hardest ones to get this year. And like I said, I haven't seen on the shelf, I haven't seen much Garden Party at all, but from what my essay at the local boutique told me is that Garden Party 30 is harder. It will be lucky that he will ever get a signed one this year. So he told me, Garden Party 36 may be easier, but like I said, I still haven't gotten an offer. And so Garden Party 30 would have to be the number 4. So number 3, my pick will be Lindy 26. Yes, you see here, I was lucky enough and be able to score this Lindy 26, even though I was able to score it, the Lindy 26 this year, but generally it's not as easy at a local boutique. Even Lindy 30 this year, that's how I feel like. There are times that at local boutique, yes, Lindy 30, it's a lot easier than the Lindy 26, but generally, if I want like a classic color like gold or Ethiope, it's so hard. At the bigger boutique, you maybe have a better chance, but of course it's not a guarantee. So I think I would just, shopping by my luck, to be honest. I probably only seen one Lindy 26 besides this one at another local boutique, but that's about it. But is it the ideal color? Not necessary. So Lindy 26 with neutral color, I think is one of the hardest one to get this year. So I ran it to number 3. And plus my local boutique basically told me Lindy 26, it's very hard to get. They barely get it for some reason. So it's part of it. If you're nearby owning a small local boutique, I would say Lindy 26, it's pretty uncommon to get. All right, so for number 2, my pick would be the Mini Evelyn with a color that is non-black. The reason why I say that, because my local boutique been offering the Mini Evelyn in black and only black. If I ask for other color, they just don't happen to have it. And I scored this at the Madison flagship store. It just so happened they have it. And I've been to so many different local boutiques and they don't have it. And it's so hard to get. Like, I've seen people getting it, but then I feel like they have relationship build up. So they are able to score it, but they probably waited for like a few months also. So Mini Evelyn, it's not as easy as you would think compared to, you know, the Evelyn 29. Like, those are probably one of the easiest to get still. So my pick for number 2 would be the Mini Evelyn and the Mini 2424. Mini 2424, I believe I only seen it at the flagship store in Madison. I don't think I've seen it in any other local boutique. So if you shop at local boutiques, unfortunately Mini 2424, it's not as common. It's not a inventory that, you know, Hermes would necessarily bring it in, like depending on the store manager always, right? So, but I'm sure you can request it and see if the store manager will eventually bring it in. So number 2, I would say the Mini 2424. So number 1 for the non-Quota bag, my pick will be the Mini Lindy. So as for Mini Lindy, you guys know I got offer at the Madison flagship store, and I did ask my own essay at the local boutique and see if they would, like, how frequent or would they get the Mini Lindy. And my essay told me they only get 2 in a year. So it's like, it's so hard to get, and sometimes it goes by the seniority and depending on the raffle. So like even the essay, it's getting it by luck. Like he even said like, it would be lucky for me just to get one time to have a Mini Lindy. So it sounded like Mini Lindy, it's really, really hard to get, especially for like a local boutique store. When it's small or like new store, I feel like it's harder for them to get such a hard to get bag. And another one that I also want to rank is number 1 is the Mini Bolide. It's also another mini bag that I'm eyeing on. I've never seen it, or I haven't really requested yet, but I still never seen a Mini Bolide at any store, or like I don't hear that people would request it. I think I only see one customer was actually carrying a Mini Bolide. Like that's about it. I don't know, it's because it's not as popular or it's just so hard to get, you know. I can't really wait on that, okay? But I will let you guys know how long I have to wait once I put in my request, because it's still on my list. So I'm just waiting the right time to actually put the request in. So let's see. Once I put it in, I'll let you guys know how many months I have to wait. Okay. So are you guys even interested in the Mini Bolide? Please comment below and let me know, because I feel like people hardly talk about the Mini Bolide. Anyways, another fortunate things that I wanted to say is, you know, the Mini Lindy is part of the hardest bag to get that I have mentioned in my previous video. Even though this is not a Quota bag, but it's considered the hardest bag to get. But I think it's overall with all boutiques. So majority of the boutiques will probably have really limited quantities. So it is considered one of the top hardest bags to get in general. So I'm so grateful that I have one, and it's go on go. So if you have not yet watched that video, like I mentioned earlier, I'll put the link above and down below, so then you can take it as a reference. So that particular video, I did my research and it was pulling from the purse block. So it's like a give and take just for reference. A lot of these ranking, it's based on personal opinions. And this video obviously is solely my own opinions. So comment below, let me know if you agree or not agree, or you can tell me like which other bags it's also so hard to get for you this year, because you know, I know this year in general at Hermes or any boutique, it's so hard to get any bags. Like compare with this year, how many I have gotten compared to last year. I feel like last year I probably got more. But anyways, please feel free to share with the communities. We like to support each other, right? Doing this like shopping journeys. Anyway, so by the time this video is out, Mr. White and I have already gone to the VIP shopping at the Madison Flagship store. So please comment below with your guess on what we've gotten offered that day, or how many Birkin or Kelly we've seen that day. So if you're new to this channel, please be sure to subscribe and hit the bell notification so that you won't miss the future videos and update. I hope you guys like today's videos. If you do, don't forget to hit the like button. As always, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.